KEF Q1 Meta Bookshelf Speakers. Tiny speakers, insane sound? Audiophile hype or real deal? Ever feel like your current speakers are holding your music hostage? You press play, but the sound is flat, lifeless, and honestly a total buzzkill. Whether you're a casual listener or full-blown audiophile, struggling with muddy mids, weak bass, and sound stages that feel like cardboard cutouts is beyond frustrating. You spend more time second-guessing your setup than actually enjoying the music. If every new album or movie night feels like a letdown, trust me, you're not alone. It's time to stop settling for meh. And the worst part? Every listening session slowly chips away at your excitement. Deadlines come, you need focus, and your speakers? They're just there. No clarity, no detail, just overwhelming disappointment. Your setup's blocking your productivity, your vibe, and your motivation. Missed sonic details, lost emotional connections in music, and another wasted paycheck on gear that overpromised but underdelivered? Sound familiar? You're left stuck, stressed, and wondering why your playlists sound so boring. Meet the KEF Q1 Meta Bookshelf speakers, the little legends with a massive sound upgrade. These aren't just compact speakers, they're precision audio machines. With KEF's metamaterial absorption technology, that literally sucks up 99% of unwanted sound junk, plus the iconic Uni-Q driver array for pinpoint imaging, the Q1 Meta delivers crisp highs, rich mids, and a soundstage so wide, it feels like your walls just disappeared. No gimmicks. Just pure, goosebump-worthy sound in a minimalist, satin black shell. Think razor-sharp vocals, deep controlled bass, and sound so clean, it's like hearing your favorite tracks for the first time. Whether you're building a hi-fi stereo setup, spicing up your desktop rig, or anchoring a surround sound system, these speakers punch way above their size. They fit anywhere, perform everywhere, and look like modern art doing it. Curious yet? Hit play and discover why KEF's reputation isn't hype, it's history in the making. Ready for next-level sound? Thousands of audiophiles have already switched to KEF's Q1 Meta, and stock doesn't last. So why risk mediocre sound another day? Act now and claim your seat at the front of the sonic revolution. Whether you're chasing musical nirvana or just want speakers that actually sound as good as they look, don't wait. Hit that link, level up your setup, and hear the difference KEF fans swear by. Your music deserves it. You deserve it. Click now.